Dear students, today we are going to read page number 60 and 61. What it is written? Clean environment. To be healthy, we have to keep our environment clean. You understand? For make us fit and keeping us healthy, we have to we should keep our environment clean. Pollution makes the environment dirty and unhealthy. But this pollution make the environment what? Dirty and unhealthy. There are four main forms of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, and noise pollution. Now we are going to read what are the causes of that. Causes for air pollution. For air pollution, what? Exhaust from the cars. Not only from the cars, also from the other vehicles. Whatever the smoke come out, that make the environment unhealthy and dirty. Burning of waste materials. Okay. Wherever the waste material is there, everybody if put fire, the smoke will make the air dirty and it become air pollution. Next, number 2, causes for water pollution. What are the causes for water pollution? Throwing waste in the water bodies. More and more waste if we throw in the water bodies, then water become dirty. And then washing cloth in the water body. If we do our daily activity in the water body, then day by day, then our water bodies also become dirty. Okay. Next, causes for land pollution. Throwing waste on the roads. Throwing all the waste without throwing it in a dustbin, and there are here and there. If we throw the waste, it causes land pollution. Then waste from industry. Whatever waste it come out from the industry, where we will dump it? If we throw it on land, then it become a land pollution. Causes for noise pollution. Honking of car horns. All the vehicles if honk at a time, and every time if they honk the horns, then it create a noise pollution. And when loud volume, in a very loud volume, we listen anything, we produce noise pollution. Okay, so this is all about pollution. Now come to page number 61. Should and shouldn't. What we should do or what we shouldn't. Fill in the blanks with should or shouldn't. We dash drop garbage in the street. We should not. In the street, we should not drop. We dash reuse plastic bottles. We should reuse plastic bottles and cans. We dash walk to school if it is closed. If it is closed, then we have to go. We should go. Okay. Then we shouldn't turn up the volume of the television very high. Don't turn on the volume of the television. Should not. We should try to grow more trees. Very good. We should. Okay. We shouldn't burn waste. We should not burn the waste. We should blow the horns only when necessary. We should not blow the horn unnecessarily. Okay. We should not dirty water bodies. We should not make our water bodies dirty. Okay. Write in your book. Then color the sign and write what they stand for. This is you have to color. Then this one you have to color. Okay. Then this means do not blow the horn area. Okay. If this sign is there, you would not blow the horn, or do not sound horn. Or this one means do not litter, means you are not allowed to throw waste here and there. Throw the waste in the dustbin. Both are correct. Okay. You first color it, then write their names. Now come to the copy work. See, what is my question? What is pollution? Pollution are those things which make our environment dirty and unhealthy. There are many types of pollutions like air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, and noise pollution, etc. Okay? Write any two causes of air pollution. Two causes of air pollution are exhaust from cars, burning waste materials. Okay? Write any two causes of water pollution. The two causes of water pollution are throwing waste in the water bodies, washing clothes in the water bodies. Write any two causes of land pollution. The two causes of land pollution are throwing waste on the roads, waste from the industry. Write any two causes of noise pollution. The two causes of noise pollution are honking of car horns and loud volume. This question answer you write in your copy. Today up to this. Do it. Okay.